How to fix Airbnb refund not received. To fix a missing Airbnb refund, first of all, check your refund status. So go ahead and launch the Airbnb application on your device. Tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner. Scroll downwards and you will find this account settings. Once you're here, all you have to do is head towards Payments tab, and if you find the refund status option over here, go ahead and tap on it and confirm if it says refunded or pending. If refunded, you simply have to locate and copy the unique ARN number or acquirer reference number provided on screen. Now, what you want to also do is cross-reference the processing timeline. If your payout is PayPal and digital wallets, it will take 1 to 2 business days. And if major credit or debit cards are onto your payout account, 5 to 15 business days. And traditional bank transfers will take up to 15 business days. So make sure that you also wait for this waiting window. And if you are still not getting your refund, you simply have to scroll downwards until you find this Get Help option. Then visit the Help Center. From here, scroll downwards and tap Contact Us to report a new issue. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.